Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get and join Spotify Premium Duo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up Spotify and to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, on the bottom we've got these different tabs, so you want to go ahead and click on the Premium tab. From here, scroll down until you find Premium Duo, and then it'll say get premium duo. So what this is, 2 premium accounts, you can cancel anytime, 15 hours per month of listening time from our audiobook subscriber catalog. So go ahead and click on get premium duo, and you'll be taken to this page here where it will say choose how to pay. You can pay directly through Spotify using your Google Pay account. So you choose Spotify or Google, or if you want to continue with Spotify, click that, or continue with Google Pay. So what I'm going to do is click on continue with Google Pay. Now another little pop-up, you need to subscribe. Make sure you got your card linked to your Google Play Store. If you don't, go ahead and add that in and then click subscribe.